Hi, I'm Cassie with Me Time. Let's talk about how to prepare materials for your collectible Christmas holiday village. When you are sent your collectible Christmas envelope, inside you will have your pre-cut kit sizes. These are going to be the same cut sizes for all of the holiday buildings throughout the entire year. Inside, you're going to have your shape form and any of the other fabrics or embellishments that you need, all in a standard cut size. But before you start making your buildings, they need to be cut down to the cut size. These will be listed on your materials list on page 4 of the instructions. Now, I know the natural tendency is to add fusible backing to the fabric, but we are not going to do that for the holiday houses because it adds unnecessary bulk. Instead, we're just going to use our favorite starch. Any will do that you prefer. So we're going to take each of our pieces and starch them and then press them so they're nice and flat. We just make them nice and stiff so they're easier to work with and that they'll lay nicer on the houses. The most important thing to starch, however, is actually your chiffon. It's really fluttery and it needs to be a little bit more stiff when we work for it. For the village church, there are 3 pieces of chiffon. 2 of them you will fold in half and starch, and 1 of them you will starch nice and flat. So when you starch it, fold it in half at the beginning, spray it generously, and then iron that nice and flat. And suddenly that really nice fluttery chiffon is stiff and it's easier to work with.